I'll show you. Wait a second. It's a 50-foot header.
50 feet.
Yes.
Oh, that's big, yeah.
And here,
FD 250?
exactly. Yeah, it's a FD 250. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What are you combining, Christian?
Oh, we combine in canola right now.
Canola.
Yeah.
What's the yielding?
Yeah. I wish I could say you something about the yield, but something broke down on the monitor, so it doesn't show any yield at all. So this combine has,
Okay.
This combine has kind of a grain cam and it detects the grain in the elevator, but yesterday it said like grain cam not activated, or my boss said it might be a fuse, but 2 days ago I had 40 bushels an acre of canola, so I don't know if that is good or bad. I don't know what you guys have here for you.
We get around saying you'll get 50 bushels an acre.
You get 50 bushels?
Oh yeah. 38 we got. No joke.
Then you farm. Then I guess you would need to talk to my farm, to my farmer, to my boss, and give him some advices.
Well, tell him to get around saying that it will get 50 bushels. Probably throwing out 5 bushels an acre.
Yeah, maybe my combine is also a seeding machine right now in the
I
back.
think you're seeding and combining all at the same time.
Yeah, that's pretty efficient, you know. I don't need a seeding machine.
How much more do they have to harvest?
Oh, so in total they have 12,000 an acres. And I guess we are 3/4 done. So yeah, there are 3 or 4 more sections of canola, and yeah, so they said they will keep me busy till next weekend, I suppose.
God damn.